This is a case where, my lords, we have come, my lord, before my lord seeking reinvestigation. In order for reinvestigation, on the last two dates when matter was taken up, my lords had issued notice thereafter. Since in the additional affidavit filed by us, we had given names of the witnesses, my lords, who can come and depose. This is a case where once this incident took place, a huge number of crowd came out and protests went on for months together. So there are people, and there are people who claim that they can actually give evidence. We give the names, and my lords had passed an order directing the state to protect the witnesses. And now, as per the affidavit filed by state, now protection has been. They found out those people. They reached out to them, and they have provided protection to them. Few of them, which my lords have mentioned in the order. So, as a matter of fact, my lords, before we get into the details of the facts, one aspect, High Court denied, my lord, declined the prayer only on to one ground, saying, yes, it is not as if reinvestigation cannot be directed. Because here in this case, the only accused they found has been acquitted. And CBI has not come in appeal. Now, they said we are not directing the investigation only because we feel, I'll just show from the impugn order, that no fruitful purpose would be served. There are no direct witnesses, and then the medical evidence cannot be improved. These are the two factors. If my lords may kindly see page 17. First, if my lords kindly see page 13. Yeah. Fourth line onwards, I'm just reading from High Court. My lords have that? The acquittal judgment has a logical connection with the begging question in sense that if Santosh Rao was not the one who committed the crime, there must be somebody else. This definitely demands reinvestigation. Now, my lord, 17. This is an admitted fact of a brutal rape and murder, so that's not in lord's some kind of cloud, that factual aspect. Now, if lords may kindly see somewhere from middle in the case on hand, my lords have that, page 17. My lords have that? Yes. In the case on hand, the incident occurred on 9, 10, 12. There were no eyewitnesses, and the case depended on circumstances. Nobody saw the girl being forcibly taken by the suspects or somebody else. Medical evidence cannot be improved, and so also the forensic evidence. It is doubtful that the evidence could not be collected at the golden hour is still available. No useful purpose would be served even if reinvestigation is permitted. Now, my lords may kindly immediately now what is important here is not once, twice, but thrice, my lords. So nobody was satisfied with the investigation. When state did it, it was CID was directed to do the investigation. When CID did, CBI was directed. CBI, I'll show from the statement of the IO, he said, I have not even visited the place of incident. He said, the file was handed over to me, and apparently when I read his statement, he apparently did nothing but to reiterate. Now, Lord's trial court has noted this aspect that not one, but at least 5 witnesses named the possible real culprit, because everybody was shouting that these 3 are the real culprits. They took the names. Trial court in the judgment asked why these persons were not examined at all when these many witnesses are taking names. There are witnesses who said we saw the girl alighting from the bus. There are witnesses, the watchman who is sitting at the gate of the hospital, which was next day demolished. CCTV footage not recovered from there. There are witnesses who are saying we can depose, we know, we saw this, we saw this. They were not examined. Lords, if my lords kindly lay hands to this particular affidavit filed by me on 22nd of April 2016. It's 26, I'm so sorry. 22nd April 2026. Page 3, page 2, my lords, from bottom. I've given this list of the witnesses.
Yeah. This is what we had referred to.
Yes, my lords. My lords have referred to the names which are there, my lords, from item 12 onwards.
Yes.
And so my lords had directed to provide witness protection to them. Now, my lords, kindly see the affidavit filed by state. I'll show the other documents later, but the development after the order. The state's affidavit filed pursuant to the notice, my lords. If my lords kindly see the second affidavit filed by state, that is 20th of July, 2026.
That's the latest one. They were two filed development station.
That's respondent numbers.
There are 1 to 7, my lords. State and state officials. Prosecution, my lords.
Is there any other thing?
Lords, may I hand over my copy?
When did you file it?
On the
Lord,
20th,
this is the
20th of July.
state's affidavit, 20.
Because we filed two affidavits, Maros. The first one was an abbreviated one, and the second one is Maros more detailed because Maros,
No.
the one they are referring to is a 20th of July affidavit.
We have an application for seeking permission to file a documents that respond number 10.
That is my learned.
Lords, I'll just
Then
ask
that
my
we have a counter on behalf of 8 and 9 CBI. What
Yes.
is it?
20th of July, 26.
When
Lords, if my lords can have mine, 20th of July.
20th of July, my lords.
20th of July.
20th of July, my lords.
20th of
Yes,
July
ma'am.
may not have been put up also.
It
Was
has
it put
been filed, shown in the office report also, my lords. Hai na?
It's shown in the office. It's shown.
It's there in the office report, Your Lordship.
That's it.
Sorry?
Lords, may I pass on my paper?
Maybe can we hand over an extra copy, Maros?
No, report also. There's volume 2.
Yes.
So this is what.
State had actually filed 2 affidavits.
One is 13 July.
Yes,
my
my
lord. One is 13
That's the
July.
one, Your Lordship.
Report is also
Right,
13
statement
July.
of objections.
Data of
That's the
report
one
is
you're
not
referring
there.
No, Malos.
I'm
The
referring
one
to second.
there's another one after that on the 20th of July, Malos. I may
Look for the latest.
You have the copy. Lords, may I pass on this one if my lords allow?
It's a Sena.
He would
Office
take
report.
it.
Latest
He would not take it.
Give the office report where it says that it's in document.
I don't.
I have 13 July. After that, is there an office report?
We have the office report, no?
13th I have. 20th July. Do they mention anything? What is filed? You filed it on 20th.
yes, Malos. We filed
The
it.
office report is 20th July, so it would not have taken into account what.
Second one was filed on 20th July because Malos, there was I wanted a more detailed account.
Copies to Your Lordship. May I refer to
Office
it?
report,
You have additional
Additional
copies.
copies are there.
it refers to that.
One more copy.
It's inside.
Only have one?
De do, no?
Give me your copy. Of,
Paragraph number 21, I think.
your copy also.
The paragraph 20.
Lords, that's the affidavit where
Internal page 8.
I'm just referring to the documents. They have said we have given the protection, but I'm referring to the then Lords, the
Now, what does
letters.
the state say now?
It says that it can be recovered. The last paragraph number 64.
Malos, we have
There are
given a
64 if my lords may kindly see.
we have given a
Page
factual account.
22, running page 22 of the affidavit. May I read, my lords? I would also like to submit that the record advances in DNA forensics have shown that 15 years is not by itself a barrier to spam-based DNA evidence. The soil fungal contamination present at the time of the collection is indeed a meaningful risk factor. However, this forensic issue is manageable with modern inhibitor-resistant chemistries and other cutting-edge DNA analysis technologies for handling old, degraded, contaminated samples. A
There's some
substance
hair also, is it not? Something
here,
that was recovered?
school bag, here, school bag, watch, a uniform. If my lord allow me, I know that this is
What
quite.
does the CBI say?
CBI is Lord say.
This.
CBI says no further investigation. In my respectful submission, they are nobody to say yes or no. In fact, I'll show from their own 319 application.
Why did she make us a party if we have nothing to say?
Lords, I'm so sorry. Please excuse me for showing this, my lords.
Is not tenable at this stage.
My lords, I'll just hand over this
2012
photograph
incident. There are 3 agencies which have been investigated.
because they are,
CBI officers.
yes, not only that,
Of this nature takes place.
not only that, their own application.
The man whom you indicted
Yes.
has been given a clean sheet. He is before this court saying that I've been subjected to this torture. Find out who the actual guilty person is. Instead of saying that maybe we did something wrong, let me at least try now.
I'm trying
this
to
is the stand you want to take.
I'm trying to say something.
Whom are you trying to protect?
Kindly
May I say something?
414, page 417,
No protection.
CBI's own
I'm trying to
application.
assist the court.
Page 414 at 417. CBI's own application. Page 414 at 417.
This is before the High Court.
This is before the trial court. CBI's own application.
What does it say there?
Para 8, if my lord kindly see, this is 319 application. Therefore, the evidence of PW 1, 3, 4, and 12 clearly speaks of the involvement of Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so.
Role of these.
The role of these
Cannot-
cannot be ruled out in view of the above piece of evidence.
But nothing
Now-
comes out of this.
This application was dismissed because earlier the reinvestigation was dismissed. This is CBI's own stand.
No, this was prior to the acquittal of the.
Yes,
Big
yes.
purchase.
During pendency of the case in trial court.
No, but
So
these
what
three
had
persons
happened?
were not joined as accused.
Yes, my lord.
They were never aired as
It happened. I, as a father.
Your record shows that you were from day one saying that
Yes.
somebody else is. Are these the ones you were named?
Yes.
Yes. And very interesting to note that 319 statement of mine was allowed by the trial court. High Court quashes that petition. And more interesting is, in fact, out of the 5 witnesses who were there, they're all mysteriously killed. They die. In fact, even the doctor who conducted the autopsy, even that person also dies within a year. All the 5 witnesses are dead.
Doctor is saying there has to be more than one person seeing the condition of the girl. And I'll just pass on this photograph. Please excuse me for doing that, my lords. Just see the
Officer?
Ashutosh.
Along with that,
My lords, just allow me to hand it over.
Moses,
It shows the evidence is there.
capable to do any such act. This is the evidence of PW 12 and 14. Doctor, this is what medical definition of phimosis is.
You are for our 10, is it? Our 10.
Maliciously prosecuted. I was there in custody for 6 years, 3 months, Your Lordship. This is the definition of phimosis was suffering from.
You are appearing for whom, Mr. Modi?
My lord, it's for the complainant itself, for the complainant.
The flagged one only.
In fact, this is all pro bono work that we're doing, looking into.
This is not, lords.
It's gruesome.
That I'm saying the evidence is on it. Clothes are there. How would the DNA cannot be done from these clothes? The police, IO goes to the mother and asks her to give fresh undergarments of the girl, and that has been put on record notes as evidence.
It's recorded in the trial court order.
The IO says, I have not really sent the watch for FSL. Watch was stopped at 2:45 a.m.
Now the state
No
is in-
answer.
State is in favor of a
State is in support. That's as per the affidavit which says that it can be done.
We have given a complete factual account of whatever happened, Milos, from our limited. The investigation with the state was for a preliminary period of 1 year. Thereafter, Milos, it was with the CID.
For it to be sent to the
Uh,
CID.
Milos, there were applications filed, Milos, and there was a huge
Because the hue and cry, in fact, the
there was a
content,
public
Protest
outrage.
against that you are not
The
nabbing
state
the.
itself
Yes.
referred it to the
Yes.
CID.
CID.
and they themselves
Thereafter-
went to CBI.
CBI also.
They brought in the CBI also.
They brought in. Unfortunately, if I just read the CBI's IO statement,
Where
it
is
said,
that?
my lords, may kindly see the second volume,
490. 490.
page 494, my lords.
490.
Start at 492, PW 35.
If it is C or CD.
Yeah.
I'll just
And it's interesting to note that, okay, including the mother's statement has not been recorded by any of all the 3 agencies. The mother's statement, the victim's mother.
Seen that incident.
He's the first.
Statement is.
Her statement itself is not recorded.
Not examined before the court, madam. She was given a,
Right from the
And these are the local lords, local
event.
was just appearing pro bono.
Falsely or maliciously implicated, Your Honor. You're suffering from medical condition where.
How long were you in prison?
6 years, 3 months. And also in addition.
Lords, page
to-
494.
Other two double murder case, Your Lordship. This is how they maliciously hounded you.
The statement starts
Pass
from
away.
492.
And it's very interesting to note that in fact it is those actual accused bring this accused. The respondent number 10 and actually
Lord, second volume, page 494. It's just after the heading cross-examination by the counsel. I'm referring third line onwards if my lords have this page. I had Justice Sajdev, lords, and lords, may I read from there, lords?
this is a CBI officer, my lord. The IU. Must be reviewing this proposal, give proposal, justice proposal.
that's good.
The names are mentioned in that.
Sir.
Yes, sir, the eyewitness, my lord.
Who says that I saw these three persons over there?
She's not examined.
No.
He's there now.
Yes,
Yes,
lords.
sir. Sir, Janmani, my lord, then.
They approached the witnesses we named and they are ready to give lord depose and they have taken partial protection, whatever extent they wanted.
No, complete protection. Protection has been given. It's an acknowledgement.
Perhaps is very, very damaging to the CBI, reflects very poorly upon them.
Yes.
Nothing more, nothing less. He does not even visit the site of the crime. He does not even go there.
My lords, I was trying to say something, my lords. My lords said that I'm not trying to shield.
Want to,
I'm,
toe line of the CBI on this?
my lords, I was trying to assist the court.
To say that three agencies have already.
My lord,
given
that
a
is what
brief
I am not
memo.
going on to that reply.
Three agencies did not complete the investigation.
I am not on that.
One to the other. You are the only one who seems to have done the investigation by the looks.
May I now say, my lord?
Then you put this man in the dock.
My lord, I am not defending anybody, nor the investigation. I am on something larger
To
issue.
the reinvestigation in a matter of this nature, where your IO has gone on record to say this. How do you even stand by this and say that there's need for a reinvestigation?
My lords, I
A
am,
girl has been raped and killed
I
in
am-
brutal fashion.
my lord, I am on something more fundamental, and that is what I wanted to assist this court.
The CBI must be trusted with whatever it says.
Again, my lords, I did not say that. What I am trying
What
to
is
say
the
is,
more fundamental issue that?
yes, my lords. My lord, since 2012, when this incident happened, in 2013, the CBI took over the investigation from CID. So this was the third agency. Now, in 2015, the charge sheet was complete. My lord, once charge sheet was complete, it was all along in their knowledge what has happened, what is there, and what is not there.
That's your defense.
I'm saying something
I
else, my
made a
lord.
mistake and nobody pointed out that it was.
I am not saying that, my lord. I am just trying to tell today what we are today. My lord, can there be now today? There is no way that today there can be an evidence that can be reformed, the forensic evidence.
To send it back to you, considering the stand that you have taken now and the stand that is now evident from your deposition. Obviously, the CBI is out, not to be trusted with it.
SIT only.
Perhaps it's better that the state only does it.
Otherwise an SIT can be formed by lords.
For a SIT to be formed, my lords.
Let the state decide how.
Yes.
Otherwise these are certain
Abide by whatever
proposed
law-
names that are
whatever
there
my
of
lord
independent
passes.
officers.
Because whatever orders my lords passes, we'll abide by that. We have given the affidavit on a factual account.
Suppose
Whatever.
My lordships may have a look at this if an SIT can be constituted. Otherwise it's a.
Lords, we have given suggestions.
To have happened is the IO of CBI has acted as a judge. He's only looked at evidence collected earlier and then given his
Yes.
interpretation, filed a charge sheet. He's not conducted any independent investigation.
My lord,
Simply looked at statement already
yes.
recorded and then come to an inference and filed the charge
my
sheet.
lord, I am not defending that. I am not defending that. I am saying, my lord, suppose, my lords,
Saying that after 12 years, CBI is not capable of finding any evidence.
I am not saying that also, my lords.
Saying,
No,
for this,
I am not saying that also, my lord.
old cases will reopen.
I am not saying that also, my lords. I am saying once their entire trial has taken place, it will, my lords, change the jurisprudence.
Definition which is suffering from your lordship.
No,
That's right.
How does that assist this case in the sense of
he is over.
Be actually appointed to supervise and cited to be,
We were suggesting that, my lord, if Justice O can,
or anyone that you.
if my lords are directing for the reinvestigation under retired, any Supreme Court retired judge, if,
Why do you want?
as my lord,
The state says that it wants to undertake that exercise. Why should we doubt their bona fides on that score?
that's my only request is to kindly keep the matter pending here so that
Just to say,
that's my request is to keep the matter pending here so that
Why should we keep it?
that
pending?
does make a difference. my lord.
We'll reserve judgment. So once we send it back to the state for reinvestigation, it starts from square one again.
But we have seen the differences when my lords keep the matters pending here.
That's a request if it's possible.
We have seen in so many cases, it makes a huge difference. my lord.
It's a very sensitive matter.
interim direction may be done, right? As
We are reserving judgment. Thereafter, whatever compliance reports we need to call for from time to time.
As my lords, please. We are so very grateful. Grateful.
witnesses we should mention that. An eyewitness will be.
Because my lord may just note that the protection was given. my lord. There was an order
Protect.
that because, my lords had directed my lords, that we had granted protection adequately.
Should be continuous.
Let the protection order was continued. Yes, ma'am.
Great.
So very grateful. Extremely grateful.